Today, we're gonna use an anime by the name of Naruto to illustrate developmental networks. This is my DNA, RNA, and messenger RNA, whereas these are my products, characters, and genes. This is Obito, Naruto, Kuruma, Kushina, and Minato. The Obito gene product inhibits or represses the transcription of Naruto. The Kushina gene products activates or stimulates the transcription of Minato, and the Minato gene product inhibits or blocks the actions of Obito. If Naruto is transcribed, Kuruma is sealed and a village is saved. The Obito gene product represses the transcription and translation of the Naruto gene. The Kushina gene product stimulates the transcription and translation of the Minato gene. The Minato gene product blocks the action of the Obito gene, allowing the Naruto gene to transcribe and be translated. When Naruto is transcribed, Kuruma can be sealed and the village saved. This is our developmental pathway. Kushina activates Minato. Minato represses Obito. Obito represses Naruto, and Naruto represses Kuruma. Now we are going to look at the different phenotypes that will occur if a single or double mutant affects any of the genes that is a part of the pathway. If a single mutant was to occur causing a lack of Kushina, then Kuruma will not be sealed because Minato will not be activated, which means that he would not have been able to repress Obito, and because of that, Obito could repress Naruto, which makes it impossible for Kuruma to be sealed. If another single mutant was to occur causing a lack of Naruto, then Kuruma would not be sealed because Naruto would not be able to repress Kuruma. If a double mutant was to occur causing a lack of Kushina and Minato, then Kuruma would not be sealed because Minato is not there to repress Obito, which means he can repress Naruto, which will prevent Naruto from being able to repress Kuruma. If another double mutant was to occur causing a lack of Obito and Minato, then Kuruma would still be sealed because Naruto would be able to repress Kuruma since Obito is not there to repress Naruto.